Aimmco is a company that is specialized in manufacturing of custom injection molded components.
Aimmco is a one-stop shop. We can do anything from helping out with the design of the product all the way through final packaging, value add, right to the end user.
A lot of times we'll collaborate with them on the tooling aspect of what is required to make these complex parts.
We'll get that CAD geometry in. We have quite a few tools to analyze that file and see if it's moldable, and if not, what kind of feedback we can give.
People are able to take a molded part or even a concept to us where it can go to our full team of engineers, and it can go from being a CAD design file, if you will, to a production molded part.
We use over 14 million pounds of material a year. And of that 14 million pounds, 9 million pounds is recycled material. Majority of those products can also be put back in the system, recycled again, and the cycle will continue.
We try and make the best tool that we're capable of making. We stand behind our products, and if there ever is an issue, we do our best we can to do a quick turnaround time and make sure that's exactly what the customer wants.
Sometimes we have situations where we have a customer says their assembly isn't functioning properly, so they can give us samples of good and bad parts, and we can utilize our 3D scanner to scan both and overlay the two and see where the differences are.
There will be something on the part that will start to go out, will start to change before the part becomes bad. What we want to identify that ahead of time so we can make adjustments.
This is our 3D scanner, and what it does is it uses light and sensor to go ahead and project the physical features of the object. Using that, we can compare it to our CAD models. We can dimensionally inspect it, we can check surface profiles, we can go back to GD&T.
We have 16 robots, including a 6-axis. The reason that's nice is because we get a consistent cycle. So it's, part to part is going to be the same, which means that the parts come out good and they continue to come out good till the end of the run. So, one part from one press isn't going to be different from a part that comes out of another press.
The quality team here takes pride in what they do. It is their responsibility making sure that good product gets inspected and packaged according to customer expectations.
Our team here is really good at solving problems. That's really what we do. We try to understand what the best way is to make this part. Our experience is really broad as far as small parts, larger parts, simple parts, complex parts. I think we're able to tackle any project.
First thing that we do is we get the block of steel and we'll CNC it to its dimensions that we need to hit. We hit sizes, really critical dimensions, and then it goes down the line to the other departments.
The important piece about quality is making sure that we repeat the process and have a reliable product over time. So the way we define that is we have processes and procedures that are documented clearly at each press, so our team can quickly pull up that documentation and we can go through it.
We have a reputation for delivering consistent, to spec, on-time parts. We have experience doing anything from commodity grades all the way up to very high-end carbon fiber filled material. So we not only likely have the resin available, we also have the expertise to make it happen.
Really, our key value proposition is the fact that we are an integrated manufacturer. Unlike a traditional injection molding company, when the need arises for a mold, they will contract that out to company A, B, C, or D. Getting all of those folks talking together, understanding what the challenges are and what the potential solutions are to those challenges is key.
I have quite a bit of experience with tool manufacturing, and also I've gained over the last couple of years quite a bit of experience with the injection molding side of things. With that experience, I'm able to know how long a tool build will take from design all the way through materials and the labor hours it's going to take, because I've been there, I've done that.
It all really depends on what the customer wants, what works best for them. We're getting into touch-free automation to where we can manufacture and package and seal a part without any human interaction or contact, I should say, with the part, which is really important, especially in the medical field.
You have a part, you have a widget, you want to get to market. Most of the time you'd have to first go get it tooled up. Once you get it tooled up, then you have to go to the molder, have the molder get involved, get them up to speed, then they would start. With us, we're all under one roof. All departments work together, from design to tooling to automation to high volume production to shipping. We're all one team, we work together to get the job done.
If you have a need for a plastic part and are interested in what we're talking about here and our services, please give us a call. We're available anytime, and again, we'd be absolutely thrilled to be able to talk to you about our services and how we can help you.